You are losing money. Inflation rises, your money falls. You heard trading is the solution, but you have no idea which stocks to pick. What if I told you there's an easy answer to this problem? Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that can analyze market trends, financial data, and investor sentiment to help you make informed investment decisions. You can multiply your money, even if you're not a trading expert. Buckle up because that scenario has become reality. In this video, I'll show 3 hacks to use ChatGPT to identify winning stocks. Hack number 3 will make you invest like Warren Buffett, literally. But first, I have to show you that this method works. With financial gurus selling miraculous solutions every day, it's hard to believe ChatGPT will actually make you money. But here's the deal. I have proof. 3 months ago, there was this cool experiment where managers fed the latest economic data to an AI model. They gave it stuff like interest rates and updates on the housing market. They also trained it on some basic financial knowledge to see what would happen. The experiment ran for 45 days, and during that time, the AI model picked 38 stocks that it thought would perform well. It chose stocks like Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, Visa, Meta, Netflix, and more. But here's the real kicker. Between March 6th and April 28th of 2023, this AI model went up against the top 10 most popular funds in the world. We're talking about big names like Vanguard, Fidelity, and HSBC here. And you know what? The AI model outperformed those funds in 40 out of the 45 days. That's a success rate of 89%. It even beat the gold standard of investing, the SP 500 index, which only had a 3% increase while the AI model gained 4.6%. Okay, but you may be asking, how is that possible? The answer is machine learning. AI tools such as ChatGPT can analyze vast amounts of data. This data allows ChatGPT to learn new things at an impressive speed. But how is that useful for you? With ChatGPT's ability to learn from historical data, you can uncover sophisticated relationships between life events and stock oscillations to gain valuable insights into market movements. This is a big deal. If you leverage these insights, you can gauge market sentiment, spot emerging trends, and make more informed trading decisions. Overall, embracing big data analytics will give you a competitive edge and take your trading game to new heights. But how? Let's start with the first hack to use ChatGPT to choose stocks: market analysis. Picture this. You want to create your own investment portfolio. So how do you choose your stocks? The old you might have spent hours banging your head against the wall trying to come up with a decision. But the new you is much smarter. He gathers data on a specific stock he's interested in with the help of ChatGPT. You ask ChatGPT about recent news and developments related to the company, and it provides you with a summary of the latest earnings report, upcoming product launches, and positive sentiment among industry experts. Armed with this information, you make an informed decision to invest in the stock. As a result, your investment grows by 20% within 6 months, outperforming the market average. Sounds like a dream, right? For the most part it is, but here comes the caveats. When it comes to the information shared by ChatGPT, we have to keep a few things in mind. First, it's a bit tricky to verify the original source and accuracy of ChatGPT's insights, so you better take them with a grain of salt. Also, ChatGPT's training data is only up to 2021. That means the info it gives might be outdated. That's a problem because if you're looking to make smart investment decisions for the short or long term, it's vital to access the most current market events and data. Without that, you might make terrible mistakes. Besides, ChatGPT might be pretty good at giving insights about well-known stocks and assets, like the ones on the NASDAQ. But when it comes to lesser-known stocks, it falls flat. So if you're thinking of diving into those less popular stocks, you might need to do some extra research on your own. Remember, as helpful as ChatGPT is when you use it for market analysis, it's always wise to cross-reference its information and stay up to date with the latest market happenings. Which is why this second method of choosing stocks with ChatGPT might be the best option. Few people know this, but there are many softwares that choose stocks for you with a high degree of accuracy. These softwares use scripts for automated robots that run all the decisions with a high degree of efficiency. This automated trading allows for systematic execution of strategies, and the use of AI tools like ChatGPT can enhance the development of effective scripts. Now, using ChatGPT to create these scripts has some advantages. When you use ChatGPT to create an automated trading strategy, you're not limited to just one indicator, like it happens with other software. For example, you can use both the relative strength index and moving average convergence-divergence indicators together. This gives you more flexibility and options. But ChatGPT does have some shortcomings when it comes to scripting for trading purposes. ChatGPT is efficient, but it doesn't have enough domain knowledge about trading concepts and technical analysis. So keep that in mind. Also, ChatGPT's language capabilities are a bit restricted. It's mainly a text-based model, so it might struggle with creating complex code structures. Besides, ChatGPT might find it tough to adapt to new tasks that go beyond its training patterns and data. So, be aware before you commit to this method fully. ChatGPT wasn't built specifically for specialized knowledge or advanced language capabilities in trading, but that doesn't mean you can't have success with it. If you want to use it for that purpose, you just have to thoroughly test and backtest any programs or strategies you create using it. So, in short, explore the possibilities of using ChatGPT to create automated trading scripts, but be mindful of its limitations in terms of domain knowledge and language capabilities. With all that being said, it's clear that ChatGPT can give you an edge in trading despite its shortcomings. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these problems, a way to mix the best of human ability with the data analysis of ChatGPT? Do you know what we're talking about next? You guessed it, it's Warren Buffett time. Did you ever want to invest like one of the most regarded investors of all time? Now you can do it. Here's how. With the Autopilot app, you can invest like the most successful investors in the world. This is an unprecedented opportunity to skyrocket your investment earnings. The app lets you copy and recreate the investment portfolios of famous investors, including the legendary Warren Buffett himself. How? They have a special feature called the Buffett Tracker. This shows you all the stocks Mr. Buffett has acquired. Now, you might be wondering how the app knows which stocks Warren invests in. Well, it's all thanks to something called Form 13F. This form makes hedge funds disclose their positions within 45 days of the end of each quarter. So, the app stays updated with Warren's investments. Pretty cool, huh? Here's the scoop on using the app. It's pretty straightforward. First, you set up the app with ChatGPT. You just tap the plus button at the bottom of the app, then select ChatGPT. After that, you choose ChatGPT Trader from the options available at the bottom. Once you've got that all set up, the app will ask you to connect your broker. You pick the account you want to invest from and specify the amount of money you want to put in. Just keep in mind, the minimum investment is $500. Once you've done that, simply swipe up to confirm and you're good to go. The app is amazing, and users have been able to successfully replicate the investors in it. The Autopilot app costs $30 every 3 months, which, if we're being honest, is nothing next to the money you can make with it. So invest a little to invest better. Now, trading with ChatGPT is not a perfect system, yet. After OpenAI's shocking news on GPT-5 and how it can be the most powerful AI system ever, we might be close to predicting market movements with 10x more accuracy. How close? Watch this next video and find out.